Hello, everyone. It's Cledra, your Plan B coach, and this is day 15 of the 828 Fat Loss Challenge. And today I want to talk about expectations. You know, as we enter the last full week of the challenge, which I can't even believe that, a lot of you have emailed me with excitement and you're just so, over the top, feeling so good about your accomplishments, and that's wonderful. And then there are some of you who feel a little disappointed, and I want to address both. The way we feel stems from our expectations. A while back, well, now it's been several years, I used to go to Overeaters Anonymous. I told you guys I've tried everything, and that's the truth. And they had a great comment. I feel like every program that I've ever joined, there are some great tips that I was able to take away for my life. And one that I'm thinking about now for today, for day 15, is about how our serenity is tied to our expectations. And they used to say that the higher the expectations, the lower the serenity. And what they meant by that is, for example, I came into this challenge wanting to lose 8 to 10 pounds in 21 days. I knew that was a high bar when I said it. So if for some reason a week from today I haven't lost those 8 to 10 pounds, I have a choice. I can say, oh, that didn't work, or, I'm disappointed, or I can look at everything as feedback. And that's the option that I hope all of you will take. All of this is feedback. Your body's response to the cardio, your ability to plan your meals. Look at what went well, what didn't, and change it. Make it as simple as that. But the one thing that I want to make completely unacceptable for any of us is to feel disappointed. It takes a lot, and I mean a lot, of courage to step into this arena of weight loss. And I want you to respect yourself for having that courage and determination. I mean, my God, this is not something you can even buy. Oprah struggles with this. I mean, and I'm not saying that to slam her. I'm saying that hoping that you will respect the process of weight loss and respect yourself for even having the courage to say, I'm going to get in that 828 Fat Loss Challenge and I'm going to finish. That alone is wonderful. So here we are, day 15, and I want you to just look at everything as feedback and have a serene day when you reset those expectations. All right? Congratulations to you, and I will see you tomorrow on day 16.